the regathering. It is harvest time. Deuteronomy 30, verse 3 to 6. It shall come to pass, the Lord thy God is turning our captivity, reversing our captivity, having compassion upon us. He will gather us from all the nations that we are scattered. He will bring us into the land of our forefathers, and we shall possess from the invaders. It shall come to pass, Isaiah 43, verse 5 to 6. I will say to the north, give up, give up, give up my children, and to the south, keep not back my sons and my daughter from the hands of the earth. Fear not, for I am with you. I will bring my seeds from the east and gather from the north, from the west. It shall come to pass, I will send many fishers and hunters. I will bring you back into the land that I have gave unto your forefathers. Jeremiah 16, 14 to 16. Jeremiah 31, 17. There is hope in thine end. There is hope in thine end. Thus saith the Lord, the children of our ancestors, us, we shall come again from the land of our enemies. We shall come home from the land of our enemies. We shall return from the land of our enemies. God bless. God bless.